Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I am going to do maintenance of this 12 volt sealed lead acid valve regulated battery. It's 12 volt 7.5 amp hours and it's almost 3 years old now. It's not dead, it's working, but it's discharging and charging fast. Let me show you. It's showing 12.85 volts, near to 100% charge, but it does not giving the proper backup as before. So I am doing a small maintenance of it. What you have to do is to take this. This is 34% sulfuric acid solution. Basically I have taken this from the new flooded lead acid battery, which is having gravity of 1.25. So let's open the top lid, remove these caps. As you can hear that the gas is releasing from inside. It's due to pressure buildup, because this battery uses the absorbed glass mat technology. So if I zoom in, I don't know whether you can see it from the camera or not. I can easily see inside that it's almost totally dried. So what I have to do, I will add 2 to 3 mls per cell. You don't have to use any lemon juice or some salt or something else. Simply take this solution and fill 2 to 3 mls per cell. Obviously these batteries don't need any maintenance, but after many years of working, their water content inside them dries up, which is mixed with the acid. So uh, it's difficult for the battery to hold the charge and give a proper backup. So let's add 2 to 3 ml per cell. So the refilling of the acid is done now. So now you have to charge the battery on a so now you have to charge the battery with a balance charger with low current. I'm using this XL4015 step down buck converter for the charging. Let's set the voltage to 13 volts or 13.8 volts or something. It's set to 4.67. So let's increase the voltage to about almost 13.8 volts. You can go as higher as 14 volts max, but I'm using almost 13.8 to 13.9 volts maximum with a current of 1.2 to 1.5 amps. Let's set the current value. I already made a video, 2 to 3 videos of the tutorial of this module XL4015. You can check on my channel and watch the full videos for the proper tutorial. Current is set to 3 amps. Let's lower the value to 1.5. Yeah, it's okay now. Check the polarity and connect the terminals and leave the module so it can perform charging. Oops, you can see that the blue light is turned on, so it's the charging. Let me show you the charging current here with the help of this clamp meter here. As you can see that the it's going down very quickly because the older battery is almost charged. We previously seen that it was on 12.8 volts. So that's why the battery is not taking any charge. After 2 to 3 cycles of charging and discharging in a vehicle, any motorcycle, car, or sorry, in any motorcycle or the other charging system, the battery will come to its normal charging and discharging state, and it will help. Hope so. It will gain its 20 to 30% more charging and discharging capacity. So yeah, this was the video. If you have enjoyed and learned something, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.